In today's video, I will walk you through how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your account. Once you're logged into your account, click the Create button in the upper left. From the options that appear, select Expense. This opens the expense form where you can enter what you purchased and how you paid for it. On the expense form, check the payment account and payment method. Set the payment account to the specific credit card you used. If you have more than one credit card, select the correct card so the transaction is recorded in the right account. Next, set the payment method to credit card. Then enter the remaining details from your receipt. Select the vendor or payee. Enter the date shown on the receipt. In the category or account section, select the expense account that best matches what you purchased. Add a clear description and enter the amount. If you track sales tax, select the appropriate tax so the totals are correct. You can also enter a memo for additional context and attach the receipt image to the expense. Before saving, review the information you've entered. Double-check the credit card account, vendor or payee, date, category, amount, and any tax information. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will post the transaction to the credit card account you selected. The balance owed on that card will increase by the amount of the expense. To review the transaction, open your credit card register or run a transaction report for that account. The expense will appear with the date, payee, and amount you entered. When recording credit card expenses, make sure you select the correct card so the charge is not recorded in the wrong account. Keep your descriptions consistent and attach receipts whenever possible. If you're entering several expenses in a row, you can use Save and New to continue entering another expense. Your credit card expense is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.